Hey guys, and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a whole bunch of really yummy, high protein, plant-based eats that are gluten-free, of course. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys some exciting stuff about a new fitness transformation journey that I'm about to embark on. Can't wait to tell you guys more, so let's get right into the video and start with breakfast. Hello and welcome to breakfast. Today, I don't know why I did this. Makes me feel a little bit evil. I'm doing I did some oatmeal. I made something I haven't actually tried before. This combination of salted caramel protein powder with apples. So it's like a salted caramel apple oatmeal. It's really tasty, I think. I haven't actually tried it yet. It smells kind of like butterscotch pudding. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it's really good. It's very simple. Literally just cook your regular oats in some water, and then when they're sort of mostly like 75% of the way cooked, you add some chopped apples to the pot, let them cook for the remaining 5 or so minutes, and then you add in your protein powder pretty much right at the end. I'm using the Good Protein salted caramel flavor, like I mentioned, and it is so freaking tasty. I have to say it's probably one of my new favorite flavors that I've tried from Good Protein. Let's just give this a taste test, okay? Got some pecans in there. I guess I must be evil. I must be a mad scientist. Because what I have created, major yum factor. Ooh, that's a funny little piece of apple sticking right out. I must not chop that piece. Okay, people, breakfast is done. That was delicious. I'm very satisfied. And now it is time to move on to a very fun, exciting announcement that I have. Today, I am very jazzed to share with you guys that I am starting a 90-day total body transformation, a fitness challenge that's gonna span 90 days, and it's gonna be good times. It's gonna be a challenge, that's kind of the point. I'm a little bit scared, but I'm mostly excited. And I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know many of you are health and fitness focused individuals like myself, and so that's what it's gonna be all about. This whole 3-month journey, you'll see a lot of high protein plant-based recipes that are just gonna be so excellent. We're gonna be doing high protein grocery shops together. I'm gonna show you guys how I get 100 grams of protein in a day. And you guys know that I love working out, and so I'm gonna be kind of giving you guys more of a look into my workout routines, what I'm doing, what I'm focusing on. I'll be sharing my goals with you guys in a later video, really what I wanna focus on as far as my fitness goes. I'm just excited to get started. And I know it's kind of odd that I'm starting a fitness challenge at the beginning of December, literally the most indulgent month of the year. But you know what, honestly, you can start working on your health, working on your fitness, improving your diet at any point in the year. Yes, even at the beginning of the holidays. It's never too late. And I'm gonna prove it to you guys, I'm gonna prove it to myself that you can just start anytime. Over the course of this challenge, I'll be showing you guys some of my favorite products that I use to not only help me, with my workouts, help to improve my endurance, my cardio, but also things that I'm using right now to help me track not only like my weight, but other measurables that are often overlooked that are really important when you're trying to transform your body and transform your fitness. So more to come on that in future videos. I hope you guys are excited, and if you are, let me know. I need the encouragement from you guys, so comment below and subscribe as well if you are excited to join me on this journey. It's gonna be good times. I'm really stoked. So on that note, I need to go work out. So let's do that. Hello and welcome to today's workout. One of the things that I'm really trying to work on when it comes to my fitness is to be removing as many barriers, many obstacles as possible that would inhibit or discourage me from working out. For me, that's like having enough equipment, having what I need to do my workouts at home. Because as some of you guys might know, I don't have a gym membership, I don't go to the gym. I do all my workouts at home. So I have weights, I got gloves, I got the yoga mat, I have a pull-up bar, and I've been slowly accumulating, you know, things over the years to help kind of, you know, set up my home gym, if you will. And so today, I am super excited to be showing you guys the latest addition to my at-home gym, which is my brand new indoor bike, which I'm gonna get to in just a quick moment. Isn't she a beaut? So cardio is one of the things that I really struggle with when it comes to my fitness, and I know that cycling is a great way to improve my cardiovascular endurance. It's a great way to just get your sweat on a few times a week, helps you burn some calories, and it also helps to improve the lower body strength, which I definitely need help with because my legs are weak and they're a little bit, you know, I got some junk in the trunk, which, you know, that's okay. I love my junk, but I'm trying to, you know, slim out the junk in the trunk. I have wanted to do cycling for a long time, you guys, but indoor bikes are expensive. And I'm looking at you, Peloton. Peloton bikes are insanely expensive. You have to get an app to be able to use their bikes. You have to get the special shoes to be able to use their bikes. And it's just an expensive, ridiculous investment of money. And that brings me to the sponsor of today's video, you guys, YESOUL. YESOUL is an affordable fitness equipment brand, and they were so incredibly generous enough to gift me with their brand new G1M Plus Indoor Bike. And I am, oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited to show you guys what it's all about. Now, what I love about this bike, which there are many things, but one, you don't have to use an app to use the bike. You don't have to use fancy shoes. You can use your own shoes. You can do free screen casting from your device, whether that's your phone, a tablet, a laptop, directly to their 21.5-inch screen and sound bar that comes with the bike, which is amazing. So that means that you can hook up your Netflix, your YouTube app. You could put Spotify on there. You could put ebooks on there while you ride your bike and sweat it out, which is so amazing because, like I said, with the Peloton bike, you have to use an app if you want to get, you know, the workouts that come with the bike. Now, YESOUL does have an app that you can use. It's like $9.99 a month if you want the membership. And it's great because they do have a bunch of really awesome workouts that come with the bike. The instructors are great, they're super fun, the music is fun. It's really just a great way to kind of dive into indoor cycling by using some of the in-app workouts, but you don't need them, which is great. If you have your own favorite fitness app, or if you want to just stream some YouTube fitness videos, you can do that, which I think is so amazing. So, with all that being said, I honestly love the bike. It's a great quality bike. It has this little knob here which uses magnetic force to adjust the tension in the bike itself. So if you want to increase or decrease the tension as you ride, you can just do that with a few turns of the knob. The seat's comfortable, it's super adjustable depending on how tall you are, and it's just awesome. I have used this bike several times now since receiving it, and I have got my sweat on. Seriously, this thing is a butt burner. I feel so good after using it, and it's just so much fun, you guys. So I am going to go, I'm gonna bang out a banging cardio workout. I'm gonna get my sweat on. And before I do, I just wanna let you guys know that YESOUL has given me an amazing discount code for you guys to save you 100 buckaroonies off the purchase of any of their indoor bikes. So if you're interested in getting a bike, if one of your New Year's resolutions is to get fit, then definitely consider one of YESOUL's indoor bikes. Use my promo code in the description box below. I'm running out of breath, so I'm gonna go and work out now, and I'll see you guys at the end of my workout, and I'm sure I'll be sweaty AF. Peace out.
For showing out. I hope you had a great class, and I will see you next time. Bye.
So we're gonna do an instant pot red potato and leek soup, but I'm amping up the protein by adding some red lentils, and I'm gonna be cooking some soy curls on the side because you guys know how much I love them. They're just soaking, and then I'm gonna pop them in the air fryer. In the meantime, while the soy curls are soaking, we're just going to prepare our leeks and potatoes. Leeks might seem a little bit scary, but they're not. All you have to do is separate the tops from the green tops from the kind of white bottoms. I'm gonna be using both of them. I don't know why people decide not to use the greens of leeks because they're totally edible and delicious and full of nutrients. But leeks are very dirty. So I've found that it's easier to just like cut them in half because a lot of dirt can get trapped inside all these little layers. And cutting them in half, I find, just helps get them cleaner when you wash them out. And then once you've sliced them in half, then I just like to chop them. Pop them in a colander. We'll clean them in a minute. And then I do the same thing with the green parts. Slice them in half and chop. And then I just wash the crap out of them, literally. Okay, so while the leeks are just kind of draining in my sink, I'm gonna season my soy curls here with this chick style seasoning that Butler sent me, by the way. This is so cool. I'm so excited to try it with these soy curls. They kind of go together. I guess this kind of makes things taste like chicken. So I'm just gonna follow the instructions and add about 2.5 tablespoons of the seasoning to my soy curls, and I'm gonna pop them in the air fryer. Ooh, it smells so good. Very savory, very like umami. Now we're just gonna air fry these for like 20 minutes. In the meantime, we can chop our 2.5 pounds of potatoes, an onion, and some garlic. Boink. So now you can turn on your pressure cooker, and we're just going to warm up about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil or any other neutral oil you like. And once it's hot, we're gonna add our onions and our leeks. Give them all a good stir to combine, and we're just gonna let them saute for about 5 minutes until, you know, the onions become soft, the leeks become soft and a little bit translucent. Things start to smell pretty good. Whoo, that is steamy. Okay, now we can pretty much add everything else. So our chopped potatoes, our copious amounts of garlic, a couple fine looking bay leaves, and some spices. We've got some smoked paprika, dried thyme, a little bit of nutmeg, and some salt. And a whole can of coconut milk. I don't think it's gonna come out because it's solid as a rock. Nailed it. Next, we're gonna add in 1.5 cups of rinsed red lentils. And lastly, we're gonna add 5 cups of vegetable broth. Now we can just give everything a good stir. Let all the flavors coalesce and commingle and cooperate. Then just kind of press everything, well, whatever you can, under the liquid. Put a lid on her. Set it to sealing. We're gonna cancel the saute, and we're gonna manually cook her for about, look at that, 6 minutes. Okay, people, what have we got here? Ooh, she's a steamy beauty. Oh my God, it's so thick, you guys. Normally, I would actually like blend some of this, just kind of make it a little bit extra creamy, but the starches from both the lentils, whoa, got a little foggy there. The lentils and the potatoes really just like naturally thicken this up and made it, whoa, so creamy. But I am gonna add just a couple final touches. I do like to add some nutritional yeast just for kind of like, you know, a little bit of that cheesy factor and extra yum. And then I also like to add just a little bit of tang with like a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. You don't have to do this, but I find it's just like kind of a nice little touch. It just kind of brings it all home, brings it all together in a happy little mess here. Oh. That is banging. Oh my God, it's so good. It almost tastes like a potato cheese soup. I don't know how, because I didn't add that much nutritional yeast, as you guys saw. I think just the lentils and the coconut milk just made it so rich and creamy, and just all the seasonings made it somehow taste kind of fromage-y. Then just as a finishing touch, we can top off these bodacious babies with some of those air fried soy curls. Boom. That is how it is done, folks. This might sound kind of weird, but it sort of tastes like bacon as well. And I think it's because I added smoked paprika. So, just saying, smoked paprika in a potato soup kind of makes it taste like bacon.
I made you a pasta. You can't refuse.
I don't know, that was probably terrible. I'm so sorry if I offended any of you. I made tofu Florentine, you guys. Tofu Florentine, it's like it's a plant-based. It's a plant-based spin off of chicken Florentine. It's basically tofu fillets sauteed in a herby, garlicky, creamy sauce. It's very simple, very effective, very yum. You can eat it on top of rice or on top of pasta. Yeah, I'm actually eating it on rice tonight. Brad's got it on pasta. Let's dig in. Mamma mia! So insanely good. It's just like, man, if you're a garlic lover and you like things that are creamy and saucy and you happen to like spinach, this is the recipe for you. Look at all that spinach. Tender and yummy, and the tofu cooked to perfection. It's got a little bit of crispiness, kind of got like this black pepper, herby crust on it. Oh, I hope I'm selling you on it. You gotta try it. Now, serving this over pasta is a great idea. Totally great, but I think the rice is an optimal choice because the rice just like soaks up all, I don't know if you can see that, it soaks up, oh yeah, all the sauce. I'm sorry. I'm like making love to my food right now. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Again, if you are interested or have been looking for a more affordable alternative to like a Peloton indoor bike, definitely check out YESOUL's G1M Plus bike. It is awesome. I have a exclusive promo code. You guys can save $100 off the bike. The link and the code is down below in the description box. Check it out, and yeah, hope you love it. Thanks again for tuning in. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in a video real soon. Bye-bye.